So now we'll be learning about the merge queries. Now, before we start merge query, the first requirement for merge query is at least one column in all the tables you are merging should be identical. On the basis of that column, we'll be merging our data. So if I want to merge my table 1, which is our web data, and the append data, this is the data which I've just created. So I need to have at least one column which is identical. Now, if we see carefully in table 1, I have coin abbreviation which is BTC, ETH, and in append also I have one column which is symbol which have the name of the coins. So what I need to do here, I need to make them identical. This value USDT is not present in my table 1. Split column, and by delimiter, my delimiter is it's already recognized by Power BI, and I want the left mouse side delimiter which is correct, and okay, I'll say okay, and yes, it has given me the names which is present in my table 1 as well. I don't need symbol 2, so I'll remove it. Now my data is ready for merge queries. Let us see how merge queries work now. Again, you have to say merge queries as new. If you will not select as new, then your current dataset will be merged. So you won't have a new dataset, only your current dataset will be merged. So the first thing is, this is my table, which is the append table, and now they are asking me another table which I need to merge. That's table 1. Now these are my two tables which I need to merge, and now I have to define a condition also on the basis of which I'm merging it. Now I have this symbol 1 which is my name. I'll say control and select it, and I'll do the same for table 2 as well. Control and select coin abbreviation, and I'll say OK. And now you see my merge result is here. My merge result will be now on the basis of the condition which I have given. So you see my symbol is BTC, and on the right hand side you see a new table is created. So in Power BI you need to expand this to see your actual values. So click here, and whichever value you need you can select from here. It's not important that you select everything. Let's say that I only need the price, so I'll say price and click OK. Okay, now you see we have the results from our merge query. It's giving me the price of BTC. And why we have the same value in all the columns? The reason is because we have BTC in all the columns. If I'll select dot, okay, we don't have the dot value here. The reason is the data set is quite big, and when you have big data sets, the filters won't work correctly. So again, what I'll do, I'll take the bottom rows and check it. Let's say 5. And yes, here I'm getting the result for dot, and let's see whether we are getting the correct values for dot as well. We are getting null value here. That means there's something wrong here. Let's see what's the issue. We have dot here. Seems like this is all right. We need to check our another table. Okay, I'll see the coin abbreviation dot. Okay, yeah. So the problem here is, you see dot, this particular dot has an extra space with it. So we need to trim this entire column. To do this, we'll go to transform and we'll say format and trim. So trim will remove all the extra spaces. So now you see dot is clean now, and I'll go to my merge query one more time. I'll refresh my data. So I'll go to tab and I'll click on refresh. Okay, now I'll scroll that side. Now, okay, now you see I'm getting the values here. So we had a small error where we haven't trimmed our data in table 1, and after fixing this we are getting this value. So this is how your merge queries work. You can also say that merge query is similar to VLOOKUP in Excel. That's all. Thank you.